But here come the hot sauce. Okay, so I'm technically what was that? If my lash was lifted this whole time, please excuse me, because I could not even freaking see.
Turn that sound up.
What's good? It's your girl Urellis and welcome back to another video. I hope you are all doing well during these crazy times. So I actually really need a haircut, like really bad. So it's to the point where I'm just gonna do it myself, but I'm not gonna do like a full-on cut. I'm just gonna do like a little snip, you know. I'm just gonna cut off those nasty little ends that we tend to get like in between cuts. Now my last professional cut was back in February, so yes, it has been some time. I actually want to let my hair grow out just a little more before I get like a professional curly cut. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna my own hair. I am not a professional. I am just going to do more like a light dusting and not like an actual cut. You know what I'm saying? Let me put these scissors down before I poke myself or something. So I am fresh out the shower. I mean, obviously I did my makeup. Don't you low-key wish, y'all remember that show Sabrina the Teenage Witch? So she did like a little thing with her finger and she was all done up and stuff. Like, I wish I could do that. Yo, if y'all remember that show, give me a thumbs up. Like, I swear these kids that are growing up now, they seriously don't know what it is to have good TV shows, good music. I mean, I went out with my friends this weekend and we were listening to old school jams like 90s, early 2000s. Yo, that was the era, and I seriously feel like these kids, they don't know what it is. They know WAP, but they don't know like what's a good alternative to that song. I guess 1 Minute Man from Missy Elliott, like, you know, like there's a huge difference in the culture. But anyways, I sound like an old head, right? Let's get into it and let's get this haircut. So I'm gonna go in with this Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. Next, I'm going in with this Curl La La from Aunt Jackie. I'm not gonna top it off, mop it off. Wait, y'all know where that's from? I'm gonna go in with this Curl Maker also from Camille Rose, which is by far one of my favorite gels. And I'm gonna be pretty heavy-handed with this because I kind of want my hair to be a little crunchy. I've been hugging the block. But here come the hot sauce. Oh, you know what? That's the male version of WAP. You what? Tell that to another sucker. Yo, I'm about to put that on right now, real quick. Hold up. My ugly hugging the block. You want what? Tell that to another sucker. Top it off, but here come the hot sauce. My hair the way it is. I'm gonna start at the bottom, starting from the bottom that way here. Carefully start grabbing my curls. All right, so I'm gonna start with this curl because it's kind of like obvious that this one needs some help. As you can tell right here, this is what I'm looking for. I think that looks wonky, that the end looks like, you know, thin and it wants to like disappear. That's all I cut off, literally. This small little tiny baby piece. I'm not really too worried about the bottom half of my hair because I feel like the problem is mostly like in the front of my hair. See this one right here? See how it's like frizzy at the ends? You guys see why I made my hair so crunchy? It made it easier for me to see my ends and how they look. So I'm gonna cut off that little baby end right there. So again, I'm being super careful. All right, now this part of my hair I feel like is way more problematic because I feel it way longer than the other side. Honestly, not even that hard to like cut your own hair, like to do a dusting at home in between cuts. You just have to be super careful. See, like this one, you guys see this one? All right, now I'm gonna fluff my hair and see what I really have going on. So if my lash was lifted this whole time, please excuse me because I could not even freaking see. All right, you guys, so I just fluffed up my hair. I really like the way it looks. I don't really see any off the bat that I need to like snip off. All right, so, well, I see this one. This baby one I could snip off. Oh, you see this one? Oh, I missed this one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Doesn't even curl. But I can tell the huge difference in my hair from the last time I did my hair. It looks way better. This is all that I literally cut off. Like, you guys can see how little that is. I mean, it's, again, very dead, nasty ends that weren't like doing nothing for my curls. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you would try this out, if you're brave enough. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on another video, because don't play yourself, girl. You know I got the facts. I'm here to give you the glam. I'm here to give you the tips, okay? There's no holding back on this channel. Ain't no hating over here. And hit that bell, that way you're notified whenever I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And of course, don't forget to glow. Mwah. Bye.